Hi Chyrll, this is John, West Coast Connects. Ron reached out, spoke with you last week, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 tips that you could do to really increase traffic online and really add to your customer base. And all I ask is that you send me some feedback when this is over, whether that be via email, text, phone call, anything would suffice. I just would love to get your thoughts. So with that, I'll get started. My first tip would be to add content to your site. So content is anything that you can highlight, whether it be text, pictures, and really there's 2 reasons why you want content. The first reason is you want to get keywords that you can get found for in your content. So say I wanted to be found for AC repair Plano, which I believe you are being ranked for. I might have that depending on, how badly I want to rank for it. I might have it as a heading. I might have it in my text. I might have an image saved as that particular keyword. And the reason for that is Google crawls your site just to see, if what kind of keywords they could rank you for. And if you have a keyword specifically in your text, the way it's typed in, it just helps and adds to what you can be ranked for. So definitely really important. The second reason content's important is it's a ranking factor. So if you look like sites like Wikipedia, one of the reasons why they do so well is because uh, you know they they've got a ton of content. And it's almost impossible to beat them out. They're almost always ranked #1. But I did look at one of your competitors, Baker Brothers, and just to compare the content. So you have 946 words and, 5,820 characters, and they have 23, almost 2,400 words and 14,500 characters. So there's a reason why they're beating you in this particular keyword is because, well, one of the reasons because they have so much content and so much there that you just have to add more to your page in order to start beating them out for that. So um, that's my first tip. My second tip is to add to your and really build up your Google My Business. So you do have 53 reviews, which is a lot. You're at a 5-star rating, and maybe it's one of those things where I'm just putting in the wrong keyword. But as you could see here, you're not ranked for this particular keyword. And I did look at a few. Yeah, you are ranking for a few. It was one of the highest ones that you were ranking for. Uh, in terms of heating and air conditioning. So I went with that one. But you're not in the top 3, and really the reason why you want to be in the top 3 is you really want to. And if you could see here the amount that they have 626, 601, 203. They have a lot of reviews, and there's a few ways you can get reviews. And reviews aren't the only reason people are ranked in the map pack. There's, you want photos that are saved as specific keywords. The more photos, the better. You want your excuse me, business information out in a lot of different places. So that'll all help in building up your Google My Business. But one of the reason why you want this is you want to pull traffic from these organic rankings. So, like Baker and Total Air and EHS HVAC, you want to pull traffic from them so that they don't get all those calls. And it's just a great way to do that. So, Google My Business is always something that I recommend just to strengthen and try to get in that map pack so you could steal some of that traffic. My third tip would just be to strengthen up your site. So this is kind of the area that we're going to focus on right here, and this is data for your site. This is the strength of your site. It's on a 0 to 100 scale, 0 being the weakest, 100 being the strongest. And typically what you want is as high a number as possible, and you'd like to see a 1-to-1 ratio. So if that's an 11, you'd like to see that as 11. You have 20 websites that are sending 181 links back to your site. You are ranking in 153 keywords in the top 100, so that's pretty good. Looking at your competitor, who's ranking, the Baker Brothers, he is 8 and 23. Let's see if this updated. The backlinks and referring domains they don't have here, so I'm not quite sure how much backlinks and domains are here. Let's see if that helped. This is just one of the back pages that's ranking. So you can definitely beat this out. They are ranking in the top 138 keywords, but as you can see here, their value is pretty good. They're doing a pretty good job here in terms of. And if I went to their home site, I guarantee you that this page this is pretty strong. So they have their home site has 563 referring domains and 5,600 backlinks, and they're ranking in almost 6,000 keywords. So, strong site, big site, but at least for this particular keyword, all you'd have to beat out is that back page. So, there's definitely traffic there. Looking at areas. I mean, even if we did electricians in that area, in Dallas area, there's 7,200 searches a month for electricians. That's almost, that's like 85,000 a year. And even if you get, 5% of that, I mean, that's a ton of volume. So the volume is there, and this is just electricians. This isn't HVAC and air conditioning and heating and all that stuff. So there's a lot of volume to be had, and there's a lot of stuff that you can do with this. But those are the three things that I would do to really grow and build up your site. Obviously, you guys could do these yourself. Pretty, that a lot of them are tedious, but they are things that can be done. If you need somebody that knows what they're doing that can help you out, we'd love to do so. That's what we do for a living. So, with that, have a great day and God bless. Thanks, Chyrll. Bye.